Welcome to the Motion Wave AI training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate speech from text in Motion Wave AI. Go to the left menu and click on Text from Speech. Insert your title. Insert your text. You can choose options from drop-down. Language. Choose AI VoiceOver Creator out of the options. Click on Generate Vox. Now, you can play your AI voiceover. VoiceOver, also known as off-camera or off-stage commentary, is a production technique where a voice, that is not part of the narrative, non-diegetic. You can download AI VoiceOver into your device. You can delete the AI VoiceOver. Thanks for watching the video.